In this video, we're going to talk about how you can improve your YouTube game by adding in a 10-inch ring light. With that said, let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is MJ, and today we are going to basically unbox and do a first impression on these ring light that I got from Amazon. It's called Casptm. It's a weird name, honestly, but it seems that they have good reviews and they got a good product, so I bought it regardless of the name. So I basically got this product because, number one, mainly I do my YouTube videos when the sun is up. As you can see, I got a big window here lighting my studio, but it's not consistent. Earlier it was just a burst of sunlight, and it's not consistent, so it goes in and out. I gotta either put it on auto ISO, which doesn't really work for a good video. A ring light, I would think that would solve the problem, especially if I'm doing some talking head video. This is what we're here for. So putting this on the side. So it's very compact packaging we got here. Beauty Live ring light, it says here. Let's open it up and see what we got. Right off the box, it says here, thank you very much. And on the back, it's 10 inches, as I said. They have a flexible area where you can put in your phone. And also the tripod itself, it swivels, so it's easier to maneuver when you have tight spaces. It's perfect for small desks or even large desks, but from the size, from first impression, it seems that it is mobile if you want to. Take off the box here, put it on the side. We got basically 3 pieces here. One, we got the small tripod, cool. And we got basically a phone holder, so which is cool. As advertised on Amazon, it says that it has 3 main light variations. So one is white light, one is warm white, and one is warm yellow. So depending on the situation, depending on the ambient light that you have, you can adjust your temperature of your light. As I said earlier, I wanted to use this for YouTube purposes because of the consistency that it brings up on your video, unlike when you use the sun. To add to that, instead of using regular house lights like you have, fluorescent maybe, it's not really good when you're doing video because the flicker that you have with your camera. With the LED, there's no flicker. There's some learning curve here. So there's this little piece here that is attached with the phone holder. You detach it, you place it on the ball of the ring light in this area, and I think that's it. This is something to save for later, just in case. But yeah, it's very adaptive right away. You put your phone here, and since my phone is fairly big because of the case as well, I'm sure it can hold it. There you go. So it's perfect for any size phone. I got a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, so it's fairly big. Attaching the tripod is the next thing to do. If you guys like this video so far, if you guys like this product, link is gonna be down below. Available in Amazon, of course. So we just attached the tripod and we're good to go. This, oh shoot. Then after that, you gotta lock it so it stays put. Perfect. So this ring light is powered through a USB connection. Most likely you're gonna do your videos directly or close to your PC. Or you can attach this to basically a USB adapter, and then you can plug it in any outlet that you have in your house. Let's try that. I got an adapter actually. So we're back with an adapter. We're gonna try it out. Power on, the red button. Let's see. Sweet. All right. We got dim down and dim up. Dim up. Oh. All right. So I guess the down is where you make it brighter, and the up button is less bright. The light variations, the temperatures. This is warm white. Oh, this is warm white. Okay, so this is warm white, this is white, and this is warm yellow. Very yellow, very nice. We're gonna do some test runs here using my phone. So we're live right now using the Casptm. This is the least brightest setting, so this is hardly none. So we got really bright, and it's very good too when you're doing dark setting kind of videos. And this is the white, very clear, very white, very crisp. Really like it. Sadly, it gives circular green circles on my glasses. I probably should take off my glasses. All right, so that's cool. And then this is very warm, and it seems like it's a very hot temperature kind of look, and I probably won't use it. More so with this warm white kind of look, but I also like this crispy look. I guess I just turned it off by unplugging it. A couple of key things that are very good right off the bat. The size of the ring light, 10 inches, is just right. I don't think it's too big, and I don't think it's too small either. But it just basically depends on your desk. Number two, these swivel spots that are good when you're on a tight bend, or anything that is easy to adjust when you're making videos, is always great. This bendable part here inside the ring light is really good. And one of the big takeaways here are the adjustments for the color of your light. You don't have to physically put any plastic rims to make it warm. It's within the touch of a button. And also the brightness. And depending on the situation, you can definitely adjust the brightness as you please. So really good product. Possibly the only thing that could be changed, in my opinion, maybe the size. It could be bigger, sure, but it just depends on your preference. As far as the power is concerned, I wish it would have an option to just plug it in directly to your outlet without using an adapter, but I think this is as good as it gets. Most people have an adapter anyway, so it's really no problem. And the last thing that I probably would change is maybe if there's any special coating that they can put so there's no reflection glare on my glasses. If they can put that on this product, that would make it 10 times more better. But that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps this channel. And like I said, if you guys want to get this product, this exact product, links down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Cheers.